fam, welcome to my channel and to today's video on my shampoo formulation series. So what we have here is a clarifying shampoo that I made, and I decided to share with you how you can make your own basic clarifying shampoo at home. So the ingredients we have here are cocoa glucoside, which is a surfactant. I also have here my cocoa betaine, which is my secondary surfactant. Then I also have my pure castle soap, which is also my main surfactant. Now the other ingredients are glycerin, a moisturizing agent. I also have here turmeric extract for added beautiful color. Then I have here my clove essential oil for fragrance, and I also have here my Crothes thickener to thicken the shampoo, citric acid to balance the pH, xanthan gum to also thicken the shampoo. And then finally, I have here my liquid Jamal Plus. This is a preservative to preserve my shampoo. Now, just to take a minute to show you the clarifying shampoo formula. This is basically how the formula is if you want to try it out. So I first start off by measuring my surfactants, and the first one I'm measuring here is the cocoa glucoside, of which I'm using 10%, and this is what I have. I also have here the cocoa betaine. I'm also using 5% of the total active surfactant matter for the cocoa betaine. Then I'm also using my pure castle soap. This I'm using 15% active surfactant matter of the pure castle soap. Now these measurements on this is my previous video on surfactant, so I'll link it above so that you check it out on how to do your calculations for the active surfactant matter for your shampoo. Now the next thing I do is to measure my water. Now the water here is 55%, which is 55 ml that I'm using, and I'm also using glycerin, which is 2%, 2 ml of my glycerin. Now the next thing I add is the turmeric extract. I'm using 5% of the turmeric extract, so that is 5 ml of the turmeric extract, and that is to give it added color, like I said. Now I have here my essential oil, and I'm using 2% of the essential oil, which is 2 ml of the essential oil for this shampoo. Now what I do is to mix it up. You can see the oils on it. Now this is just the first phase, which is more of the glycerin and the oils. Now the next thing I do is to add my surfactants, and what I'm adding here is the cocoa glucoside. Now I'm adding the cocoa glucoside. You can see that the mixture has turned into a different color, but the color will keep on changing till the final shampoo is done. The next thing I add here is my anionic surfactants, which is the pure castle soap, and this is my main surfactant, and is the main surfactant when you are going to do your clarifying shampoo. And then I also add here my cocoa betaine, and this is also another added ingredient to help boost the performance of the shampoo. So after this, I leave the shampoo for a while, and you can see the color change, and I'm going to show you the pH of the shampoo by using my pH test strips. Now this pH that I have measured, checking it out, I realized the pH of the shampoo was 7. And having a pH of 7 for a clarifying shampoo is okay, so I would not need to add my citric acid as I showed you. So what I have here next is to add my thickener, and I'm going to be using 3 thickness. So I'm starting off with xanthan gum. Now to use xanthan gum, you need to hydrate the xanthan gum to be able to use it. Otherwise, it might not dissolve well in the shampoo. So what I'm doing is just hydrating it in glycerin, and after I have done mixing it, I just pour the xanthan gum into the shampoo. Now, when you do this, you just have to make sure that you also mix it up and then wait for some time for the xanthan gum to thicken up the shampoo. Now, it has thickened up the shampoo pretty well, but not that much. So I'm going to be adding my next ingredient, which is the Crothes thickener to also thicken the shampoo. Now the thickener I'm adding here is at 2%, but I decided to add more to it because with clothes you add until you realize that the shampoo has thickened, then you stop. So I added more, about 1% again, to the shampoo, and then I mixed it up for some time. You can see that the shampoo has really thickened up pretty well, which is good because I mean thicker shampoos are way better to dispense than way like watery or light shampoos. So this is what I have of the shampoo, my clarifying shampoo, and it is really thick, and I really like the color as well, and that is as a result of the turmeric extract. Really beautiful color for this cosmetic stick. Now the next thing I'm adding here is my preservative. This is my liquid Jamal Plus. Now I added just about 0.5% of that. Now this is to show you the previous shampoo that I did. I did the same test shampoo before, and this is what I have. I can see that the color has faded a bit. You can see as I'm pouring it out, the color faded pretty much well, but I still have the color, and it's the same turmeric extract that I use. I just wanted to show you that the color might fade out a bit, but then you still have your yellowish color from the turmeric extract. So after I have transferred this is what I have. I just transferred it into my transparent bottle for you to see. So this is a very beautiful shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo. You can use it to get the most clarifying from your hair. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if it was. If you found it useful, just hit on the subscribe buttons, like this video, and also comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you same time. Until then, bye.